Hey, so yesterday when we were in Pog, Kuba smelled coolant, and so he knew there was like a leak somewhere. So what's leaking?
Coolant. Just a little bit.
Or is that something we can buy?
Or coolant?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the problem is that we have to find what's leaking first.
Oh.
Because there must be a hole somewhere.
Yeah. What does the coolant do?
Oh, it's cooling the whole engine.
Oh. Is it dangerous to touch?
You're not supposed to open it when it's warm.
Oh.
It's like on the bottom. I would have to open this.
Oh,
and
I see.
take it out again and see what's what. I might do it today on the campsite.
Oh, the campsite, okay. But we can still drive with it?
Oh yeah, I'll just top it up so we have something to lose.
Okay. I wonder how much it leaked already.
Not that much, because I can see how much it was.
Yeah. So is it dripping from this thing?
No, this is just expansion tank.
Okay.
So it's dripping somewhere, either from the hose going from the radiator or from the radiator.
Oh, I see.
Somewhere there.
Okay. So will we just check it the next time we stop?
Yeah.
So is that something that just would have started leaking, or has it always been a slow leak?
Oh no, it wasn't leaking.
Oh.
Poor Van, it's too hot for him. I'm gonna see like what's happening in here with temperature.
Okay.
So
But it's not dangerous to drive with a little leak like that, no?
it all depends how quickly it develops.
Okay.
Because if it's a pipe or whatever, or whatever it is, when it bursts, it bursts.
Oh, I
so
see.
then we can't drive it. But for now, it seems to be okay.
Okay. So now he's just checking it to see like where is the leak, and like does that mean that there's a problem with the radiator, and like if it is, we'll have to get it fixed right away. So he's just looking into that now.
That might be the problem.
What?
You can see like different color in here.
Do you think it might be the radiator?
Could be, yeah. See, like it's different color. This is like more, this like brighter color.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is
And
kind
this
of.
is, see? That usually means that there's a leak somewhere there.
Oh. Do you need a better light?
Maybe. Or mirror.
My mirror?
It's probably here.
Huh?
I think it's here.
Oh, the leak?
That's not a bad news, because it's probably not that likely to develop in something bigger.
Okay.
Because the radiators usually they work for some time, then they start leaking, and then at some point they just burst.
Okay.
Still does everything, and this doesn't look like it's a pipe. It looks like it's in a joint,
Okay.
or maybe the thermostat housing or something is kind of cracked, which is probably not that bad of a job
Okay.
to do. And I think we should be fine driving. For like, we should find somebody to do it though, because I can't do it
Okay.
anywhere, because I would have to dump the coolant.
Yeah. So do you think we should find a mechanic in Zadar?
If we can find somebody that can check it, yeah. But if not, then either that or Split, one of the two. I would rather do it in Zadar if we can.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna drive farther.
Mm-hmm.
It seems to be only where the pipe goes on to the thermostat housing.
Mm-hmm.
So it might also just be that it was like really hot.
And so it was like flexing or something?
Yeah, started leaking.
You have something on your head. Fire extinguisher dust.
Oh.
Yeah, hopefully it's nothing too serious, because we still have to go to Zadar and Split. No one here.
No.
We're walking into Nin now. Nin.
I would say Nin.
Nin. Short walk from the campsite, but it's in the full sun. That kind of sucks. The only thing I know about Nin is that it has the smallest cathedral in the world. I think that's what someone told me on YouTube.
There.
Oh no, I think it's even smaller.
Oh,
I think it's like tiny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought this was the smallest church or cathedral.
And they have a salt making thing. The ponds where they evaporate water and get salt.
Yeah, because you passed the salt museum.
I think it's on the other side there.
Oh, okay. This shows a flood. So is this is where we're walking now?
Yes.
To this island. Wow.
Maybe that's when the bridge collapsed too.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Oh yeah, 11th of September 2017, Nin was hit by disastrous flood. Heavy rainfall triggered an overflow of water which has caused damage to a significant part of the town's municipal infrastructure.
The bridge collapsed here from the flood.
You can see it.
Oh, snap.
Oh yeah, this is the first Croatian cathedral from like between 6th and 18th century.
So that was a bell tower, not the smallest cathedral.
No, the cathedral is farther down.
Okay. I do like how dead it is here.
Oh yeah, sure, that's a nice change.
Oh, cool, we can just go in. This is so cool to me that buildings are this old and they're still standing. I also know that this area is known for its wine,
Oh, okay.
hence all the wine stuff and grapes. So it's 33 degrees today, and tomorrow we're checking into a flat in Zadar, and the flat is air conditioning, so we can't wait. We have that flat for 6 nights. It's really nice here in the shade by the water, because you forget how hot it is almost. But yeah, it's cool that we were able to check this place out because we just ended up here randomly. And yeah, the campsite's decent too. So we are looking forward to being in a flat tomorrow. I booked other flats, so we're fully covered until like mid-September or so. And hopefully by then, the weather will cool off somewhat so we can go back to just living in the van and camping out of the van that way. Oh, and thanks for being patient with the uploads and with the comments, because I just cannot get back to everyone right now because the internet is just, it doesn't exist where we're staying. So it'll take me some time to get back to y'all. So I still appreciate all of your comments and I read them. I just don't have time to respond to them right away. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.